Mama, para po ako'y sasakay po papunta sa lugar ng bagong pag-asa. Ikaw, halika, sumakay ka at tayo'y pupunta sa lugar na napakahalaga. PECID, PECID, the pillar and foundation of learning. You are the dearest institution that light our way. In the quiet whispers of our history, we honor the strength and bravery of our dearest PECID. With every heartbeat, with every breath we take, PECID weaves the stories of those who dare to make. Teachers, instructors, staff, and the heads of this institution, they are the reason why we stand here so strong, fighting battles and seeking to give us the light from the dust of yesterday, a seed they cast in the holes where echoes the footsteps ring, where the holes, where the wisdom of everything in the shadows of the mountain. Their hands built the future we walk on today. At this moment, our pen, our page will rewrite the world and turn to new stage Pisidians. Let us leave this moment bright in the halls of learning. We filled with light as we celebrate the PECID 42nd Foundation with here we are, a soul of fire, fueled by a history that lives as high with knowledge we gain, will build and create, innovating tomorrow for ours to innovate. Together we stand as a proud Pisidian, honoring the past with the rhythm and rhyme, shaping today with courage and a heart, innovating tomorrow by doing our part. PECID, home of the strong and diligent people, brave the barriers, will open new doors with knowledge as wings, will thoroughly soar. PECID will forever stronger, creating good memories and love in our life. PECID, building our futures bright. John Alfred Cabañas.